Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering a pencil, eraser, and scrap paper, then immediately scribble, no hesitation. Make 10-20 overlapping strokes to establish a general silhouette. This rough mass tells you where the main forms lie. Vary pressure to get light versus dark areas so you can read depth later. Once done, step back for 2 seconds and decide which zones read as foreground, midground, and background. This quick read guides your next pass. Now refine. Locate 2 to 3 dominant scribble clusters that act as anchors for major shapes. You should follow implied motion lines within the scribble to pull out contours and correct proportions. This keeps the spontaneity but adds structure. Make controlled strokes on top of chaotic marks to suggest planes and simple textures, erasing only where necessary to clarify. Keep assessing the silhouette. If it reads, the internal detail will sell the idea without fighting the initial energy. Finish by committing to final lines. Darken essential contours, simplify or remove noisy marks, and keep the sketch lively. Use the eraser to lift about 10 to 20% of marks for highlights and to clean overlaps, not to eliminate the scribble character. If something looks off, troubleshoot by measuring anchor distances. Compare forehead to chin or left ear to right shoulder, and redraw that relationship rather than redoing everything. This targeted fix preserves successful areas and fixes the problem efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.